So one last thing for lists is that you want to make sure that you're able to really create them quickly and easily. And sometimes you need to use multiple levels to be able to take notes in meetings, write emails with details, projects, all those kinds of things. And the multiple levels really helps you with sub items. So what I want to show you is just really where multi-level lists come in and how you can quickly use your keyboard shortcuts to pop in and out. And I know we kind of went over this already, but just as a refresher, because it really is a useful tool in a lot of different places. So up in the ribbon, in the paragraph group, there is the multi-level list button. And you can see that when we were creating our, this is the first step list, you had that travel over to be a multi-level list, because every one of these lists that we've created is actually considered a multi-level list. The second that you click at the end of a list item, hit enter, and then you pop to the next level. Popping to the next level on your keyboard is just hitting the tab key on a blank list item. You can also do this by going up to the drop-down menu and choosing change list level to then pop into level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and that's called demoting to the next level. So you can do that either way, and each of these you can see if I go to the bulleted list and I hit tab again after creating a list item, it's still a multi-level list. So it's important to know that every list is considered technically a multi-level list. However, you can choose all of the settings of the multi-level list by using one of the preset list library settings to show what they would look like at the different levels. What I think is also important to know is you can actually customize this, but that's more of an advanced feature. But really, you can choose one of these to define those list items. And then as you're creating them with these, you hit enter to create a new list item, and you can create multiple headings and items. And then when you want to, you can tab inward to then add sub items and sub information, and you can keep tabbing every time, but then to pop back out, you don't want to hit backspace because that will delete the bullet. And when you hit enter, it will actually take you back out to the second list level, or back out to the previous list level, so you could put something like this. You can also hit shift tab on your keyboard to go back out a level as well, to allow you to get back to that first level. And again, you can do all of that using just your keyboard instead of popping over to your mouse every time. And that's really a great time saver when typing all sorts of items that you're trying to put into a list format.